my eye, my penis, I don't know. So what I did is I didn't sign because I know white people, you don't, this is not to be racist, but I'm afraid because if I signed, I was afraid the next day cops would call on my door, knock on my door, and nigga would eat your heart. But you said you will take it when I die. No. We can kill you because it's emergency. We need it. Plus, you have funerals that's gonna be covered. I can't do that. Everything fucked up, relationship fucked up. You know, I don't even know how to say. I'm pissed off, man. Give another round of applause, man. I want to keep this for the remaining minutes that I have. I will tell you about other things that are really pissing me off here. Thank you for now. My name is Willy.
I told you had to laugh. Didn't I tell you had to laugh? You had to laugh. Give him another round of applause. Willy, I like your outfit, doing. I like your hat. I like your outfit. Yeah, man, I like your outfit. You represent it.
I ain't got no bomb, though.